Oh boy, are you guys in for a treat or what? This is the Holy Stone HS-175. Thank you very much to Holy Stone for sending Good eReader Tech this sample. This is a drone, and this is a very beginner's drone. It is easy to fly, apparently, and it has an HD camera, 2.4 gigahertz operating communication, and it has GPS positioning, 90-degree camera, it has hover mode, it has a 1-hour flight time, but it only has a 350-meter distance, which means no, you can't go 4, 5, 6, or even 7 kilometers away from your actual location, because this is to gain experience and control over how to fly a drone. In fact, this entire thing is only roughly about $180 CAD, which amounts to about $140 USD for a 4K included camera drone. Oh, look at that. You get a nice canvas carrying case. That's really cool. I'm pretty sure this is a white label unit. It definitely feels like one with the name and the fact that the box is kind of designed the way it is. We've been doing this long enough that we can kind of just tell. But this is already feeling very nice. This is a very high quality case. Oh, and you get a little handle as well. That's pretty cool. Let's crack this open and see what lurks within. Should be two-sided. Yep, there's going to be some stuff in there. There's a little sheet there to protect everything. Let's look at the entire assembly first before we get into the actual drone body. We always like to leave that till the very end. What do we have here? We have, oh, I believe this has something to do with the batteries. Yes, so it's a 1300 milliamp battery. I wonder if one's already in there. We'll have to see. And we have a micro USB charger. So it's a little bit kind of dated in that it's not using USB-C. What else do we have inside here? So we have a bunch of USB cables that go into, it looks like, to charge the battery, so you can set these up to a power brick and charge multiple batteries at the same time. I'm assuming, I've literally just looked at it once. There's that other battery right there. And we have another thing here, install the protective frames and flying. Okay, so these look like you have some frames. Oh, these are the actual propellers. That's really nice. So you do have to watch out. There's around drone culture, there's a bunch of things. There's the fragility of the actual propeller blades themselves. There's the fact that when it's running and you're trying to catch it or you grab it, that you don't want to cut yourself because they run really fast, of course, these, and you don't want to bend them or twist them off the actual hinge or pin because they could become off kiltered, off balance, and your drone will no longer fly. So these are very important and very fragile, which is why every time you're done, they should go right back in the case. Seriously. So let's look at a battery, because it looks like you're getting 2 batteries with the purchase of this one, and we'll have the buy link in the description down below. So this is a snap-on battery that charges via the proprietary pins right there. You'll see it is a 5-pin copper contact with a positive and negative. It does have a screw as well for servicing. I don't recommend you opening it, and it is not able to be thrown away. This is not disposable. You should recharge these, and when you're done with them and they no longer work, recycle them properly. It looks like you have a snap there, and this is conforming to the body because it is proprietary, and this is supposed to complete the body, so when you put it in, it is nicely shrouded with this piece of plastic, and that goes with the second battery as well. So let's look at the unit itself now. So I'm not sure which part this is because there could be a couple here, and this looks like it is the controller. You should have some sort of panel that opens up like that. There you go, and you have some controller snaps like this so you can get a handle on how to use this. Again, this is supposed to be for beginners. It is not supposed to be the highest of quality drones. Drones can be upwards of thousands of dollars. This is just to get a handle on things and learn how to use it. Here is the actual drone body itself. So you would slide these open like so, all 4 sides. Like so, making sure, again, you're not bending those propellers. Everything rides on these propellers being completely level. It is meticulously crafted to make it exactly the way it's supposed to be, like this. Oh, you do get a 3rd battery. Wow. So not only do you get an included camera, you get 3 batteries. That's really cool, and you would just snap them in like that after they're charged. This is an amazing set. Thank you very much again to Holy Stone for sending us this drone sample. Coming up in a future review video, we'll fly this around and maybe use it for some future e-reader coverage all the same. For Good eReader Tech, thanks for watching.